Is your PC getting slow, apps taking forever to open, or your browser freezing all the time? That's probably because your RAM is getting maxed out. In this video, I'll show you simple steps to free up RAM and speed up your PC instantly. RAM or random access memory is where your computer stores stuff it needs to access quickly. The more apps you open, the more RAM gets used. But sometimes apps don't release RAM properly, or too many things run in the background, and that slows everything down. I have a system with 32 gigabytes RAM. As you can see, the memory usage is about 32 gigabytes. The first option is to download an app called Wise Memory Optimizer. So you go to your browser and search for Wise Memory Optimizer, and then you download. The link is in the description. As you download it, you install, and then when it is done, you click on Optimize, and you can see that it's been optimized to take out certain processes. This is, however, temporary because the main reason why the RAM is maxed out is still available. So we go on to the next option, close unused browser tabs. As you can see, Google Chrome is using a lot of space, that is 20 gigabytes. And this is because I've opened a lot of tabs which I'm not using. So I will have to close tabs that are not necessary or not being used at the moment. This frees up space for the PC to also work well. So open run and then type in services.msc. Now, the first thing we'll do is to turn off background intelligent transfer services. So we scroll down and then you get to background intelligent transfer services. You go to properties, then we disable it. The next thing to do is to scroll all the way down to sysmain, and then we also disable this one. So we stop it for now, and then we go to properties, and then startup type we disable. In our task manager, we go to the startup apps, and then apps which are not used. You can disable the apps from here, and this will help your PC run faster. As you can see, I have disabled some of them in my startup, and so they are not running at the moment. This PC, right click and then tap on properties to system and about, then you do advanced settings, advanced system settings, then you click on the advanced, then settings, then you adjust for best performance. This will help some options taken out, and then your PC can run faster. As you can see, you can read some of the things inside which makes the PC slow. So when you're done, you click on OK. In your Windows search bar, type in background apps, and as you can see, installed apps which are not being used, some of them run in the background, hence you can delete them or uninstall them. So in your search field, type in system properties. Then as you can see below, there's view advanced system settings. You tap on it, then in the advanced section, you tap on settings and then advanced. Then you change the virtual memory of the device. So tap automatically manage paging files, and then I tap on custom size, then insert the amount of memory that I have. As you can see below, there's a minimum allowed memory and then recommended, and there's also currently allocated. So it shouldn't be more than the currently allocated figure. So we just select and then we put it in. So I change the figure here. When you are done, you click on OK, and this change will be effected when you restart your PC. As we have seen, apps like Chrome use more RAM, and so you can swap them for lighter browsers such as Brave or Microsoft Edge. And then also for apps like Microsoft Word, if you are just using it for normal typing, you can just go for Notepad. The next option is to just simply restart your PC. This will free up some space because all the settings that you are doing, some of them might take place after the restart, just as we saw. So you need to restart your PC. So in your run field, type in regedit. Then we go to HKey local machine, then systems, then current control set, then control. Then we go down all the way to session manager, and then we look for memory management and clear page files. We change the option from 0 to 1. Type gpedit.msc. Then in the computer configuration, you select administrative templates, then Windows components, then app privacy. Then you scroll down all the way to the bottom and say let Windows apps run in the background. You select disabled. Then you are done. The last option is to increase your RAM size. If you have probably an 8 gig, then you need to increase it to about 16 gig and so on.